Welcome to day 15 of the 30-day self-care challenge. Now, if you don't know what the 30-day self-care challenge is, there's a link in the description box below that explains all about it and where you can go to sign up. And even if you sign up in the middle of the challenge, as soon as you receive that confirmation email, the challenge will start for you on day 1. Today we're going to talk about decluttering. Now, on day 1 of the challenge, I tasked you with clearing a space that could be your own personal sanctuary. But I know that there's some place else in your house that has stuff all over it, like a desk or a drawer or a cabinet or even a room or a corner of a room that really needs to be cleaned out. You know how I know this? Because I am in the same boat. So today I want you to declutter something because it just is so freeing for your mind. And I'm going to give you a really easy way to do it because personally I hate to clean and I don't really have a lot of time to clean. I have a really simple way for you to get your decluttering done super quick. Set a timer for 15 minutes and just put 15 minutes to the task. You will be amazed at how much you can accomplish in 15 minutes. And when you think about 15 minutes, it doesn't sound like you're going to be spending the whole day cleaning. It doesn't sound like a lot to tackle. So set a 15-minute timer and then just go for it. And when the timer goes off, just stop and see how far you got. And I think you will feel much better for it after you see that nice clear space after 15 minutes. Decluttering is so important to your mental health. You're going to feel so good when the task is finished. Now for your fun task for today, I want you to take a before and after picture of that space that you cleared up. Post it to Instagram with the hashtag 30daysforme, and I will talk to you tomorrow.